Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing great in your life. So, actually, right now I am in the park, and I can say weather is cool this time, and sun has risen today. So, weather is neat and clean. So, definitely, it looks awesome today. And where I'm right now, actually, there are a lot of people here. So, someone are doing like jogging, doing exercise, someone are talking, someone are sitting. So different people are doing different activities. So definitely it totally depends upon us that which activity we want to, in which field we are interested, so we can pick up that activity and we can follow that activity. So it totally depends upon us. So definitely I can say that whenever we go to nature, so it gives us like peace, calm, because nowadays we can say that life is so stressful, so hectic. Nobody has so much time to connect with each other. Mostly nowadays we are connecting online, so no one has so much time. So definitely we can pick up such activity, like we can go to nature and we can definitely feel fresh. So you can see the rays, sun's rays behind me. So definitely view is looking awesome for me, and hope you are also feeling the same. So there are lots of birds here, they are chirping. I can hear the sounds of the birds clearly. So definitely we can say that whenever we get free time, we can spend our time in such a way, or in which field we are interested, we can pick up that activity and we can follow that activity. So you can see the rays of the sun's rays clearly behind me. Also definitely view is looking awesome. So there are little children also in this park right now, and someone are playing badminton, someone are playing with parents also. So different people, children are doing different activities. So definitely you can see greenery behind me. So view is looking awesome. Actually with home boys which I play cricket, so those boys did not come here today. Otherwise definitely I try to play cricket with them, but those boys I am not able to see today in this park. So maintenance work is going on in this park. Those persons who are taking care of this park, they are doing great job. So still I can see they are doing work. Because definitely those persons who are residing besides this park, so they are really very lucky. So they get chance to like come here to spend time here in nature. So So it's a very good activity, we can say. And right now I can say that cool breeze is blowing, so I'm really feeling very good this time. You can see beautiful flowers behind me. Hope you are able to see. So thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, have a great day.